Hello everyone, hope this video finds you well. My name is Chioma, okay, and I'm your tutor for the few weeks coming up, okay, the free training on. All right, so in this training, it will be taking place in a WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group you join, that is where the training will be taking place, okay, and it's completely free. All right, now what will be taught in this training? Basically, I am taking it that I'm starting from the beginning. That is what I said earlier. We're starting from the scratch. Like, it is for those that have idea about fashion and those that do not have idea about fashion and wish to learn. Okay, these are the people I'm targeting in this video. Okay, so what will be taught. Now in this video, we'll be touching the beginner's course, the skirts, the blouse, the basics, all right? We will be touching intermediates, okay? And we will be touching the advanced, all right? Now, in the course of this training, the videos will be posted on WhatsApp. All right, this video will be done on WhatsApp. The links to the videos will be sent to your WhatsApp, to the WhatsApp group, sorry. The links to the video will be sent to the WhatsApp group. Now, because I have to show every part of the video, every part of the sewing, these videos, the videos or each style may be coming in part 1, part 2, part 3 because of large files. Are you getting me? Meaning now when a video of how to sew a skirt drops, you will be seeing it in part 1 and part 2. Okay, so when you watch part 1, you watch part 2. If it has part 3, you watch part 3. Okay, now another thing is, please, I don't know, I will need to beg. Yes, now I know definitely it is expensive to start buying fabrics, buying this, that, you know, I know it's expensive. If you can buy a pattern paper, it is sold in the market. We have the white one, we have the brown color. I think it's about 1/8, all right? About 40 pieces of it is 1/8, okay? So please, buy the pattern paper. Buy the items you're seeing. These are the items. Buy them. When you buy your pattern paper, buy tape, buy rule, buy French curve. These are just the basics, all right? You buy them. Each style, when any style is taught, please get your pattern paper and try it out. Are you getting me? When a pencil skirt is taught, you try it out. Flace skirt is taught, you try it out with pattern paper. And, you know, whichever way it comes out, try it out. And if you have machine already or you have access to machine and you want to sew these styles, please start with, you know, cheap fabrics. There are cheap fabrics in the market. All right, start with cheap fabric, try it out. As time goes on, you definitely, you know, you're improving. If you're improving, you will know you can start, you know, going for quality fabrics. And as well, please try it on the pattern paper first before trying it on fabric. Okay, good. Now another thing is, if you have question, you know, when a video is posted, you try it out and you have question, you can drop me a voice note, you can type it and send it to me on my WhatsApp, or on the WhatsApp, on the video, you can comment on the video. All right, now for those in my WhatsApp group, please, if you have any questions, send it to my WhatsApp. I will answer your question. If it requires making a video, I will do that. Okay, If it requires typing to correct to help, I will do that. Okay. Now another thing is, where will the question asked, where will the answer be posted? When you ask me a question, I will send the answer to the WhatsApp group so that someone that wants to ask similar question will get answer. All right. I don't know if you guys are getting me. Okay. So another thing is, in the course of this training, please, I know it's not everybody that is a novice, or it's not everybody that is a beginner in this group. I know you're advanced. All right. When I post a beginner's course that you know about, or I post a style you already know how to make, it is not a must. It is for you. Or it is not a must. You should make it. And it's equally not a must for you to watch it. Okay? So, if I post what you already know, wait. I will move from the basics to the advanced. You know why I'm saying this? I will not want a situation where somebody will chat me up and say, this style you posted, I know how to make it, all the rest of them. It is beginner's course. All right, definitely I will be starting from beginners styles. All right, so let's all be good and one love. Let's all show one love, supportive. Please, let's all be supportive in the group. Okay, and the group is the way it is. All right, only I can comment, can post on the group, because I don't want anybody acting up in the group. If you want to act up, forward it to me. If it is relevant for others to see, I will be the one to post. Now, when you practice, please send pictures, or if you want to send video to me. I would like to post it so other people will see that somebody is actually trying something, or somebody is actually serious about this. Okay? Hope you're getting me. And please, Monday is the due day. Monday is the due day. So see you on Monday, guys, and remain blessed.
The following is rated 16 and is not for viewers younger than the age of 16. Additional restrictions apply as indicated.